Buenos días, familia.
Mira a los niños, papi. ¡Qué hermosa mañana!
All right, team, fan out. We need to stabilize that structure. Roger that. Move into the east side. The LiDAR scan confirms the subsidence. Reroute the drone for a closer look at the foundation stress points. Keep it coming, keep it coming! Watch the left side! All right, move the dozer up next.
Lower the beam slowly. Watch the clearance on level 3. Roger that. Secure the base now.
It's amazing how safe these new buildings feel. And the view from the park is just stunning this evening.
We can't thank you enough. You've rebuilt our home and our hope.